In this video, I'll guide you through how to get Typeform notifications. If you're using Typeform to create engaging and interactive forms, it's important to stay updated with notifications whenever someone completes your form. This ensures you never miss important responses and can act promptly on the information you gather. Let's dive right in and set up those notifications. First, head over to typeform.com. This is the main website where you can access your Typeform account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials to access all your forms and settings. If you aren't logged in, take a moment to do that now, as it's essential for the next steps. Once you're on the Typeform homepage and logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu that gives you access to various account-related options. Navigating through your profile icon is a quick way to manage your settings without having to sift through multiple pages. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This section is your hub for managing everything related to your Typeform account, from personal information to notification preferences. Clicking here will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings to tailor the Typeform experience to your needs. On the Account Settings page, look for the Communications tab. This is where you'll find all the options related to how Typeform communicates with you, including any notifications you might want to receive. Click on Communications to proceed. This section allows you to manage the flow of information between Typeform and your email. Once you're in the Communications section, you'll see an option to turn on email notifications. Enabling this setting is key to receiving timely updates whenever someone completes a form. Simply switch it on and you'll start receiving notifications directly to your email. This feature is really handy if you want to keep track of responses without having to constantly check your Typeform account. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up email notifications for your Typeform account. This simple configuration will ensure you stay on top of all form responses, allowing you to respond quickly and efficiently. Remember, staying informed is crucial whether you're gathering customer feedback, conducting surveys, or collecting data for any other reason. If you ever wish to adjust these settings in the future, you can always revisit the Communications tab to make changes as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Typeform notifications with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital tools. See you in the next video.